Hey guys, Zach here with Rigid Inspections, and this is a first for me. So this is the old flue pipe from a 80 efficient furnace, 80% efficiency furnace, or mid efficiency, whatever you want to call it. Old flue pipe that goes through the roof. Well, they replaced the system with a high efficiency, so the new exhaust is going through a sidewall. So what they did was they moved a laundry room to the second floor and tapped into this old flue pipe as the dryer vent. You can see all the dryer vent coming out there. But look at this, it's leaking really bad there. But they're using this old flue pipe as the dryer exhaust up through the roof. So it's a bad idea to have a dryer exhaust in your attic anyways, especially not insulated, but especially going through your roof. But also, dryer exhaust can be no more than 4 inches in diameter. No more, no less than 4 inches. And this is a 6-inch flue pipe here.